Hey, the Rise Upper! How are you today? And I'm curious, where are you tuning in? I would love to know, so just comment below where are you from. And today we're going to dive in on how we can actually get a void for burning out with two simple steps, two simple easy steps. And we will get to it later on in this video. But for now, a lot of people, and I brought it a lot this week with questions in the group, with a post about it, and now I'm doing a video because I saw that a lot of people ask me about it. How can we not burning out? How can we give ourselves some time? How can we stop thinking on what we are doing and not getting carried away? So I decided to do a video about it, and today I'm going to really dive in on the two simple steps that you can do to avoid that burning out. And I see people coming in. Hey everybody, good to have you here. So wait for it, it will come. And I want to share with you here a personal story. I haven't shared it yet. And that is around 6 months ago, more or less, I experienced a burnout. I was at the edge of a burnout. And I start to feel unmotivated, I start to feel tired, I start to feel like I don't want to deal with anything anymore. I felt like all drained out. And I was so in and caught up with the business. Do, make, gotta finish it, gotta find, And at that time, I was planning to go on a trip. But I said to myself, my dream trip, because I fulfilled one of my dreams, is to go to Harry Potter in Orlando, and it was amazing. But yeah, we're not here to talk about my trip there. But anyway, what happened is, I was so caught up with the business, I so caught up with doing and getting projects done, and just finished. And I said to myself, I don't think I will go this year. Maybe I will go next year. I will postpone it. And I thought about it. I thought about it for quite some time. Should I really delay my dream trip? Because, as a kid, and I think I shared that with you, I came from a poverty family. So we didn't have the money. Well, so all those years I didn't have the money and the luxury to get myself that dream trip since Harry Potter opened. Now I don't say that you feel sorry here. I want you to get inspired to show you that you can do it as well. So what happened is I said finally I had a chance to go, but I said to myself, whoa, I'm so caught up with the business. I can't go. I can't take a shot right. I can't take a break right now. I got to finish it. And I got so caught up with doing things, and I said to myself, whoa, you're missing out with life. And I was in a burnout zone. I didn't even notice that, but bam, I was there. And I felt like crap. I felt like shit. And I said to myself, wait, is that worth it? Is that really, really worth it? No, don't get me wrong. I don't say it wasn't worth it to hustle, to grind on the business. Yeah, it was. But, and this is a huge but here. You got to get yourself some time off, or you will get burned out. And I hear all those mentors, all those great mentors that I love, and again, don't get me wrong here, Gary Vee, Jocko Willink, Grant Cardone, they say grind, hustle, but don't take a break. And when you don't take a break, what happens is, bam, you're in the burnout zone. So when I got to that burnout, I said to myself, whoa, what the hell are you doing? You're not taking care of your body. You're not taking care of your health. Is that love? No, it's hate. So it's time to take off. Is that leadership? No, fuck no, that's not a leadership. So I stopped myself. I said, okay, it's time to take a break. I'm going to Orlando. I'm going to take a vacation. And I did. I researched some photos from there. But anyway, I finally did it. I finally went through that. And when I was there, even in the airplane, I always like, whoa, I got to finish that, I got to do that project, I got to... Again, I said, whoa, hey, what are you doing? It's time to rest. time to get recharged. Get that brain relaxation time. And after that vacation, I got with more energy, I got with more drive, I got more that enthusiasm to do things, and I let myself heal. Now, get out from the burnout, it took me months to heal. And I don't want you to get to that burnout. And before you do, here are 2 simple steps that you can start doing today, not tomorrow, not next week. Start today, because if you don't, you will get to the burnout, and then it will take you months to heal from that. Do you want that? No, I'm sure not. I sure hope so that you didn't say, yes, I want that. No, you don't want that, right? And if you don't want to get to the burnout, I would love to hear about it, so comment below, heck no. So, what you do is 2 simple steps. First of all, listen to your body, become aware, see what is going on. First of all, during the day, see when are you most tired, when you can't focus, when you feel like, oh, I can't do anything right now, I can't concentrate, you're doing things on slow motion. That's your best time to, and listen carefully here, take a break. Yeah, take a break. Hustle, hustle, grind, grind, yeah, do that. Hustle on your business, hustle on your works, yeah, but take a break. Because if you won't take a break, what happens is you will get, and I promise you, you will get to a burnout. So, take that time and rest. Give yourself some recharging energy. Give yourself that brain relaxation time, and even a lot of studies support that great. Now, where is the time? Like I told you, notice, listen to your body. Where is that time during the day that you feel tired, that you feel that you're not concentrating, you can't concentrate? That is the time that you can take a break. And why is that? Because if you're taking while you're so active, when you have a lot of high energy, that's the time you need to put and invest in your business, in your projects. That is the time. Not when you're all with energy, then you take a break. You are taking all that energy for just waste. You're wasting your time. But if you're putting your time into the right zone, if you will, and I see more people coming in. Hey, Chris, how are you today? I hope I pronounced your name right. So when is the time? Like I said, when you feel so tired, when you feel like you can't concentrate, that's the best time to take a break. Like, do something you love. If it's journaling, meditation, reading, go for a run, maybe play on the PlayStation. I love to play on the PlayStation, so that is my recharge energy time. So maybe some audiobooks, like I love to do as well. Whatever it is, find that time, slot time, that you are relaxed. This is your brain relaxation time. And you're not wasting that time. You're investing in yourself, because you let your body heal from all the stress of the day. You're letting your body, you listen to your body, you see that your body is tired, and now you give your body that time to heal. That is how you actually do it. Oh, the second step is, of course, become aware, awesome. But second step is taking that break. Taking that break. Exactly like you're taking action on that. Be the leader of yourself. Be that leader of your life. And that is taking that time to heal, to give to yourself. Again, you're not wasting it. Yeah, you will feel maybe like you're wasting it, but you're not, because when your body, when your brain is not functioning at a high level, when it's tired and you keep on pushing, think about it like you're saying to a car, let's say you're driving in a car and you start to put more gas and you're out of fuel. You don't have fuel. You're going on steam. The car will break down, right? Same here. Don't let your body to break down. Don't work on steam, because when you're tired, when your body is tired, and you notice that time, let's say my time is between 3 to 4 p.m. That's my time. That's my break time. That's when my body is not functioning. And when I try to put more work into it at that time, what happens is my work is 5%. Not 80, not 100, not 20, 5%. And everything goes slower. So that is the time you take a step back, you recharge, and get your fuel back, and you're ready to go with a lot more action, a lot more energy. And what is your break time that you're going to take? How are you going to recharge yourself? So comment below what is it that you're going to do, and what time during the day. Notice it right now. What is the time during the day that you feel tired, that you don't have the power to do anything? Hey Jan, how are you today? Good for you joining. We're just wrapping things up here. So basically, how can we avoid burnout? 2 simple steps. First, become aware when is your body is tired during the day, when it's not functioning. Second, take that break at that time, because then it's not a waste, it's invest in your time to heal the body. Does that make sense? If it does, I would love to hear about it, so comment below. Makes sense. And one more thing before I go, okay, is very important, is when you're taking that break, don't let it spread out 2 hours. Because what happens is, a lot of us taking that time and spreading that. Let's say it's an hour, and instead an hour, you're 5 hours break and 2 hours work. That won't get you the result. That's a waste. That's not invest. That's a waste. So you choose. If you're going on Instagram, if you're going on Facebook for 5 hours or 4 hours or 10 hours a day, that's a choose, and you're choosing it. So notice it. Don't say, I slept and watched Netflix all day and watched Facebook. No, you didn't sleep. You let yourself sleep. You let yourself being on Instagram. You let yourself being on Facebook. You let yourself being on Netflix, and so on and so forth. Because it's a choice that we are doing. And that's what you're doing. You're becoming aware. Then you put that time slot and do whatever you want. Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, PlayStation, meditation, reading, audible, whatever. Just choose what is the time, and don't let yourself slip during the day. Go right again to Facebook. Go again during the day. Don't let yourself. Choose to be the leader of your life, and choose wisely. Does that make sense? If it does, I would love to hear about it. So comment below, makes sense, or hashtag replay, and what are the actions that you're going to do, the relaxation time for yourself. What are you going to do in that time, and when is that time? It was a great pleasure. Thank you for investing your time with me today. So just give me a thumbs up if you want more content like that, and if you're watching on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out an episode, and have an amazing and productive day, and rise up. And I will see you next time.